Hi everyone, I am Ramesh Lama Moktan and currently pursuing a Master of Science in Accounting at the Bryan School of Business and Economics at the UNC Greensboro. I am an international and full-time on-campus student. Before joining the program, I worked for over a decade in accounting with a non-profit organization in Nepal. I first learned about the UNCG through my wife and then explored the program further. That's how I discovered the MSA program, which I found flexible and can be customized. I love this program because of its practical approach. The case studies, group assignments, research projects reflect the real business challenges. If you are considering the graduate school, please check out the Bryan School with its practical curriculum, supportive community, and flexible option. It has been the perfect fit for me and wishing you all the best on your journey. Thank you.